I'm going to do the fuel filter and the oil filter first. They are the easiest ones to get at, and they don't involve really taking anything apart. What I have found in the past with other chainsaws, the filters are connected to the end of your lines, and they're in there, and they can be a pain in the butt to get out because this neck is kind of thin. What I've had success with in the past is just like a paper clip. You unfold basically into like a big fishing hook, and you just kind of wiggle it around in there until you get your lines, and then you can kind of pull it through. You can do it with needle nose, but it's kind of tough because, well, you see when you get it out, it bends, and then you got to work the needle nose pliers out at the same time as the filter and the lines, and it just gets tricky. So we're gonna do it like this. And of course, I topped it all off before I did any of this, and then my purge pump busted, so I gotta clean a whole bunch in there. You know what? Let's take this whole thing out. Oh boy. There we go. All right. Let's open this up a little bit. There we go. Now you can see how if you had like a needle nose, set a needle nose in there, bending this around, it's just going to be kind of wild getting it out. So you gotta, there we go. Now let's see. Looks a little different than the one I have. So it has plastic on the end. I don't know that I need to change this out. I will say that this was not a saw I bought. I found it at the dump, gave it a little bit of love, and got it running. But this, I don't know when the last time this was replaced. I've had the saw for 4 years now, so we're going to do it anyway. Alright, there's that. See how easy or hard this is to just jam a lamb back in there. It actually went on fairly easy. Alright, and in she goes. The fuel filter is done. Now if you're gonna watch these in one whole video, we're gonna keep going. If you watch it in two, I'm gonna do this next and then probably that. But thank you.